Today we're featuring a 2015 certified Honda Odyssey EX-L. Alright, it's got 63,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, 2 owners. It's Obsidian Blue Pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome door handles, got your lock unlock button there. Sunroof. Alright, driver's side of the Odyssey's in good shape. It is equipped with a backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has the blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, we'll show you that on the inside when we start it up in just a second. Alright. Everything on the exterior looks really good on this van. Got a small little paint rub right there on the front bumper. Okay, really minor stuff though. It's a 15 with 63,000 miles on it. It's got the dark gray, light gray combination on the door panels here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the nice thick rubber floor mats. Power driver's seat. Gray leather. Alright, the leather's in really good shape. Alright, does have the sunroof. Alright, keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather is also in good shape. Okay, and it does have the passenger rubber floor mat as well. Alright, it does have the center console here with the cup holders. Plenty of storage in there. Got your auxiliary plug, USB and power outlet there. More cup holders here, or storage here. And then another storage tray here with the cup holder as well. Alright, it's going to have a push button start. It is an automatic. It's going to have your backup camera and display right there. It does have your heated seats, dual climate controls, another display screen right here. We'll show you both of those in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. It's got your blind spot monitoring button here, your lane departure warning here, and it does have the power liftgate and power rear sliding doors. Let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 63,534 miles. Go ahead and dim this down for you so you can see it a little better. This is going to have just like your current drive history up here. Okay, we're going to put it in backup camera. Alright, activate that. Alright. Okay, and then you come down here, you got your audio source, AM, FM display. Okay, and of course your dual climate controls and your heated seats. AC is blowing nice and cold. Alright, no issues there. And I do want to show you this. It's the blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, it's activated by pushing that button that I showed you to the left of the steering wheel, or turn signal. Alright, it's activated with the turn signal, and what it does is it shows you your blind spot right there in the display. One of the cooler safety features that Honda offers, or one of the many safety features that Honda offers. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Okay, it does have the power rear sliding doors, so we're going to go ahead and push these two buttons at the same time. Sliding doors work great. It is 3 rows of seats. You got the split bench back here on the second row. Alright, but the leather back here is incredible. It's in great shape. Hardly a wrinkle in it. Okay, and this interior, I mean, this car's got 63,000 miles on it, guys. Go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look back here at the third row. Third row leather is great too. It even has the rubber floor mats back here as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look back here in the hatch, or your power liftgate. Simply push that button there to activate it. Nice and smooth coming up. Got the nice protecting mat down here at the bottom. Alright, plenty of room back here. Now these seats do go down. You simply lift this. Alright, and you can see now these seats will fold back down into this. Make it nice and smooth back here so you can load up anything you need back there. Okay, and then simply press this button right here, activate the lift gate. Nice and smooth coming down. You can either hit the button here to close these side doors. There's a button there with the driver. You can press this button to close it, or simply pull the door handle. Okay, go ahead and check out the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see the size here, 17-inch alloys. All right, Tires are still in good shape. No problem there. All right, once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Odyssey EX-L. Okay, it's got 63,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. The thing is in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.